Hey, so if you want to create lesson slides in Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through step by step so your lessons look clear, engaging, and professional. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once inside, you'll see the option to start a new presentation or open an existing one. Start by choosing a theme or template that fits your lesson. Google Slides offers a variety of free templates, or you can customize your own for a consistent look throughout the lesson. Consistency in colors, fonts, and layouts help students follow along easily. Next, create your slides one by one. Use clear titles and headings for each topic or section. Break content into bullet points or short sentences to keep slides readable. Avoid overcrowding slides with too much text. It can be overwhelming. Add visuals like images, charts, or diagrams to make your lesson more engaging. Visuals help explain complex concepts and keep your students' attention. You can insert images directly from Google Drive or your computer. Use speaker notes if needed. Speaker notes are useful for including extra explanations or instructions that won't appear on the slide itself. This helps you remember what to say during your lesson. Leverage animations and transitions carefully. Simple animations can highlight important points, but don't overdo it. It can be distracting. Keep transitions smooth and consistent between slides. Finally, review your slides. Check for typos, alignment issues, and ensure each slide clearly conveys your lesson points. Share your slides with students or colleagues using the Share button, or download them as a PDF for distribution. And that's it. By selecting a theme, using clear titles, adding visuals, using speaker notes, and reviewing your slides, you can create professional lesson slides in Google Slides. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with fellow educators, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.